Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check CPU temperature on Windows 11. To check the temperature of your CPU on Windows 11, you're gonna have to install the third-party application called CoreTemp, and you can download it right from the official website. So open your web browser, go to the search engine, of course make sure that you have an internet connection, and search for the CoreTemp application, and you can download it from allcpu.com/CoreTemp, which is the official CoreTemp website. Open it. Then on this website, click download, wait until the setup file is downloaded, then run it. You can close your browser at this point, click next, then read and accept the license agreement, and click next. Then if you want to change the directory, select browse option and then select a folder in which you want to install this program. Then click next, and then on the following page make sure that you uncheck this second checkbox, because it wants to download some rather unwanted software on your computer. If you leave it checked, then if you want a desktop shortcut, you can leave this checkbox checked. If you don't, just uncheck it. The same for additional language packs. If you need an additional language pack, of course leave this checkbox checked. Otherwise uncheck it, and that's basically it for this page. Click next when you're content with your choices, then click install, click next once again, and then let's launch the CoreTemp by leaving this checkbox checked. Click finish, and on this window you'll be able to find the information about your processor in the top part of the window, and at the bottom you can see the temperature readings for your CPU. The first column is the current temperature of your CPU, which is 48 degrees Celsius for me right now. The minimum registered CPU temperature, the minimum registered by this program. So it's not quite accurate when you have already only installed this program. The maximum registered temperature and the power consuming of your processor. So that's how you check your temperature, your CPU temperature on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.